The Camon 20 series is here, and most of you will be wondering how good is this phone. So let's see if it's actually really good or not. Let's start.
So like a normal Tecno phone, when you unbox it, it comes with the phone itself, a warranty sticker as you can see there. Then it also came with like a pouch for you to like cover your phone with. This pouch you're seeing there, and of course a good charger with the charging cord, and the charging cord is a type C, which I would say it's actually good, and an earpiece. I wish they can upgrade to an AirPod, but I don't think that's possible for now. So earpiece it is, and the specifications for this phone, let's get into it.
So the first thing I like about this phone is the design. Guys, this design is just so nice. Tecno did like wonderful in the design, and let me tell you, the magic skin that does not allow anything to like touch the phone. It's like resistant to stain, to water, to moisture. It's just so nice. Tecno did so much finishing in this, the design, the resistance to everything with the magic skin. I give them A1. Seriously, they did nice. And the second one is the screen. The display screen is a 6.67 inches AMOLED display with a 60 Hz refresh rate and 1080p resolution.
And for those of you that are gamers that are wondering about the processing or if it's lagging, so the processor is powered by a MediaTek Helio G85 processor, which is like the same we had in the Camon 19 series, but it's still able to handle anything you give at it, be it gaming or anything you want to do. The processing is that good. So the memory capacity, it has
like 256 gig of memory and 8 gig worth of RAM memory. And the main thing for people like me who love taking pictures so much, like the selfie camera. Seriously, the selfie camera is 32 MP. Like, can you just feel how sharp it is? And the selfie camera is nice, but the main camera is where the main thing is. The main camera is
It has a 64 megapixel main camera with an AI camera and also a 2 megapixel depth sensor.
Let me tell you all, Tecno did a good job with the camera. And of course, when you're checking for phone, the next thing you need to really check is your battery capacity. And let me assure you that the battery is long lasting. It's 5,000, guys, 5,000 amps of battery capacity, and it's fast charging. Yes, fast charging, more than the other series that are out.
Now if you ask me, I would say this phone is worth it for the money, and is at a cheaper rate compared to like some expensive phone like the Samsung or iPhone. So I'll say it's okay for the price, and it still have a very good design too. So just tell me what you think down on the comment section, and tell me the next phone you want me to do next. Thanks, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.